Yo, it's mad early. I look homeless. I apologize, but I gotta pack some stuff up. I'm going to Puerto Rico super early tomorrow morning. I'm flying out, and I'm cutting hair all day today, so this is the best opportunity I have to get my stuff together. So I need to pack all my things. I'm gonna show you what I'm taking. I feel like I'm both super good and also super bad at doing this kind of stuff. I feel like the good is that I'm an OCD freak, very, very organized packing things. But the problem is that I don't really plan out what I'm gonna wear and stuff. I like to have options. So I end up packing a bunch of stuff, and the 50-pound limit on the suitcase, I end up, right on the edge. And so I'm able to bring a big suitcase, a smaller suitcase, and a backpack onto the plane. So I'm gonna show you the way that I'll pack all this stuff up and fit everything in there. So I made a list of kind of the different groups of stuff I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have clothes, shoes, jewelry. I'm gonna bring a hookah. I'm gonna bring personal hygiene stuff, technology, and then I also want to bring my barber, enough of my barber stuff to last us for a week. We're staying like a week and a half, and we got 6 people, so I want to be able to handle cutting everyone's hair for the time that we're there. So let's get into it. I have no idea really what I'm grabbing, so this is kind of gonna be trial and error. I'll probably end up changing my mind a million times, but I definitely need to take care of this right now, so let's do it. So the first thing we're gonna be packing is my shoes. I don't know exactly which ones I'm bringing. Usually I'll just grab some pairs and then try to base some of the clothes that I grab based on the shoes that might go together. I'm gonna throw them all on this side of the suitcase. I'll stack up my shoes on this side, and then I'll pack clothes and everything else on this side. Hopefully this will work pretty well. I'm gonna grab these first. I haven't worn them yet. Brand new. Throwing these in there for sure. Same thing for these. I haven't worn these yet. Same thing for these True Green 3s. Hopefully I like these. In my experience of getting the shoes that are only girls, for me they fit different, man. I don't know if I'm tripping or if that's a real thing. Let me know if you've ever gotten a pair of women's shoes in like a size. I wear a 10.5 normally men's. I'll get a size 12 in those, and they fit my feet, but it's just they feel different than the normal 3s that I have. It's just something about, I don't know if it's just in my own head or if that's a real thing. So let me know if you guys experience that too. Maybe like the padding or something feels a little bit different. I'm gonna go with a pair of all white Forces. Always gotta have a pair of these. So, and I'm gonna throw these Bread Ones in there too. And I'm not sure, this is kind of a rough draft. I'm sure I'll adjust some stuff once I start grabbing clothes. So those are the 5 pairs right there. Fit super well in there. So let's go ahead and grab some clothes and let's see what all we can come up with. I'm hoping my bag will just be lighter naturally because it's summertime now and I'm not taking as much bulky stuff. So I'm praying I'm gonna pack it normal, and I weigh it on my scale and it's under 50 pounds. Let's manifest that. I'm about to pile in like 20 of these vintage t-shirts. You're gonna see me just throwing them in there one by one. I don't have any sort of plan. I just like to have options. So you're gonna see me throw in a bunch of these. I want to keep in mind to keep a little bit of space in here for my barber tools because I like to just check those razors and stuff. I don't even like to try to bring those through the carry-on bag, so I'm definitely gonna have some barber tools in this suitcase. All right, with the hats we're just gonna go boom, boom, boom. And this weather's got me all messed up. My voice sounds crazy. Hopefully it doesn't sound that bad, but if you think I'm talking weird, it's because of the weather, man. It's got me all over the place. All right, I'm switching it up. I took the Bread Ones, put them back up there, and I'm gonna do the Bread 4s instead. Maybe, I don't know, man. I can't decide. I'm tripping, I don't know. Cause I have these Citrus 7s. I mean, anything I can wear with these, I can wear with these. Like, why? Maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna do these Yeezys instead, I think. And I'm gonna stick with these for sure. sure. I got a decent little amount of shorts that I'm gonna bring that I got for this. So I need to have a mix of shorts to just wear and then shorts that like swim trunks you can swim with and stuff. So. And I used to work in a clothing store, so my folding is pretty second nature. And the only thing I don't like about packing like this is closing it, because you gotta throw it like this real fast to where it doesn't fall, like this. See? You just do it like that, nothing comes out. So this little one's gonna be the one that's on the plane with me. Put them up on the bins, and you sit underneath it. So this one's coming on the plane with me. So everything I put in there has to be able to go through the check, security, and everything like that. So the first thing I usually pack in this little one is my jewelry box. So I have this travel case right here, and I'll fill it up with trays and put all my jewelry in here. So that's usually the first thing I'll put in there. That should be more than enough to have options for every day that I'm there. So we're gonna throw this in there first. Next, I'm gonna put sunglasses in there. I'm gonna go with these from ASOS, these Off-White, and then I'm gonna go with these Burberry ones. I'm gonna throw these Yeezys in here because why not? I'm gonna throw some basic white t-shirts and white socks. I always get new white everything before I go on trips like this. I always just like to, that's a good time to re-up on just like plain t-shirts, plain socks. So that's usually the way that I would do it. And I like the way that I fold better, so. And I'm not sure if I should put the hookah in here. I just forgot. I'm gonna check and see if a hookah is good to carry on. I imagine it probably would be. They might look at me crazy like, yo, who is this guy in here with the freaking hookah? I'm gonna check and see on that, because if so, I'll probably put it in this just to be a little bit more careful with it, I imagine. And I can pad it with like underwear, stuff like that. So I'm gonna look and see if the hookah can fit in here. And I'm gonna bring my smaller one. I got a couple of different ones. One is huge. I'm gonna put my little one in here, I think. Let me check and make sure. And you really want to pack this small one as compactly as you can, because I don't think they weigh this one. I know they weigh the big one, but this one I don't remember them weighing. I always forget, but I'm pretty sure this one doesn't get weighed, so this one needs to be packed full. I'm gonna put my white shirts in this thing to keep them from getting dirty from shoes touching them, or the chalk, or the hookah. I'm gonna throw these metallic red fours in here, and we're gonna pack this thing up, man. Let's hope this thing closes, man. I have no idea. Let's see what happens. Ooh, that's tight. Hold on now. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we can do. Maybe. Okay, these shoes are not helping. So maybe I can throw these in my bag that I'm gonna wear with my camera gear. Ah, man, that's tough. The barber gear to go in the big one. I'm gonna put my hats in the backpack. I'm hoping I can put those shoes in there too. And then we're doing okay now. But once I get all that in there later tonight, we're gonna weigh it. But I have to wait until I get done cutting everyone's hair. So let's go ahead and get to that. And then after that, we'll reevaluate our situation here. But I'm glad to get a lot of that stuff packed up, because I hadn't done anything up to this point. So let's go ahead and get to cutting. So I think what I'm gonna do is pack this low pro box that the clipper came in. I think I'm just gonna throw some stuff in here and just hope that it fits everything. I have no idea. I did this in New York before, but it was literally for one haircut on just me, so. And I'm also gonna take one of these lights that I would normally take on a house call. Maybe this one right here I'll probably take. And it's super small, I can fit it anywhere, so I'm not worried about that. All right, so I'm mobile on the phone now. It's almost 3:30. I'm waiting on the Uber to come here. I'm hoping that he shows up. I'm prepared to drive if I have to, but I'm really hoping he comes through. But I don't know, I never ordered one this late before, so we're gonna see. This suitcase this time, I'm just hoping it's gonna be under 50 pounds, but we skipped that step this time. Let's just keep our fingers crossed. All right, we're in this joint. Luckily, no drama, no disruptions. Everything is pretty cool. I'm on the way to the gate now. I'm gonna land in Miami and then I'm going to Puerto Rico. So I'm gonna be the first one out of the group that gets there. We got my other friend coming today, and then the rest of the group will come tomorrow. I'm gonna hit the gate, and I'll see you guys when I land to Miami. Hopefully when we get there, we can find somewhere to watch the Inter game. The game starts at 3 o'clock Eastern, so we gotta find somewhere to watch that. All right, we're back on the camera now. I'm with my fra, Oscarino. He might be the smartest guy that I know. And the main reason for that is that he's an Interista just like me. We're watching the game right now. Forza Inter sempre, como se dice? Yeah. Just took a 2-0 lead on Milan. How do you say? Milan merda. Sempre la volte. So we just got in here. We checking out the place. Just us for now. We got some more people coming tomorrow, but we're cool with the place. We'll probably go out tonight, go get some drinks, stuff like that. So just a rundown. We put Milan down 2-0 in the first leg. So now we're walking to the grocery store. We're gonna get some drinks. We're gonna get some food. I need to go to a little beauty supply store to get a cape. Left it at home, so that's what we're doing now. Hopefully we can get everything we need, and plus we need to get some drinks on our system. So, and then after that we're gonna go out and we're gonna celebrate because Forza Inter. We almost just had a disaster. We just spent about 2 hours trying to find a barber cape and grocery shopping. The problem, we don't have a car, so we're tugging these gallon monsters over here. We went all over Puerto Rico. I thank God. I'm gonna thank God tonight and pray. I thank for this barber that we walked in. He was gracious enough to let me take his cape, man. Mad thankful for that. But the problem is we got back to our place and there's a code on the door to get into the apartment complex, and then there's a code on the door to get into the actual apartment. So what happened, my phone had died while we were shopping and everything, and so my Airbnb account was not accessible, and I had sent the code to them to the room but not to the apartment complex. So we were sitting outside on the steps, no way in. Luckily my guy Oscarino had a charger, the old school charger, the USB-A, and luckily my Beats pill doubles as a power bank, so we were able to get my phone back on, and we're back in. So I'm gonna get this man a haircut, get him fresh, give me a haircut, and we'll probably go out and celebrate Inter, have a few drinks. We need them now. what we're going with. Because Forza Ether. Finally got myself right. Come on, man. Where's my boy at? Got him right, put him in the game. Getting ready to go out and celebrate Ether's win. Because Forza Ether, let's go. What did you say? What did you say to the camera?
I said, it tastes like I'm back in Memphis and margaritas drinking the Hulk.
The Hulk. Oh, buongiorno ragazzi, è una bellissima giornata oggi e sto pronto da bere. Stiamo andando al ristorante e dopo questo stiamo andando in spiaggia. Hai capito? If you don't understand what I said we're going to eat, get some brunch, start drinking early. After that we're gonna go to the beach, see what's going on over there. But it's a beautiful day, man. The perfect weather, for sure. Non perdere la calma, sai che vorrei darti di più, ma non è facile se entro su un'auto blu. Yo, we out here at the beach, chilling, drinking. We got the hookah out here, just chilling. We waiting on the rest of my group to get here. Chicho, I'm so ready to see you. And that'll be it for this video. I think I'm gonna make this the outro. If you're new here, I go by the name of Vino. We do barber, fashion, lifestyle, a lot of different things. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope that I see you next time. Ciao ragazzi, ci vediamo la prossima volta. Ciao.